Firstly, try to remember the experience of learning how to ride a bicycle. Perhaps you have a scar from when you flipped over the handlebars. Secondly, I want you to remember the actual process of riding a bicycle. I asked you to recollect these memories because they belong to two distinct realms of memory. Memory itself is a complex and fluid system. Psychologists have sought to categorize memory to facilitate its study, resulting in two main categories: explicit memory and implicit memory. Explicit memory refers to memories that can be intentionally and consciously remembered, such as your memory of riding a bike and the incident of falling over the handlebars and scraping your knee. On the other hand, implicit memory is a more instinctive type of memory that cannot be consciously recalled. It includes your memory of how to ride a bike and maintain balance. These memories are often not tied to visual recollections, but are more akin to muscle memory. Examples of implicit memory encompass using language effortlessly, driving, reading, and instinctively answering multiple questions on a test.
The history of software is relatively nascent, with the entire IT industry being only 67 years old, which is remarkable given the significant advances made in this field during this period. The progression in this area has been less of a gradual evolution and more of a mad rush, thanks to Moore's law, which has led to a rapid expansion in computing power, a significant decline in the cost of computing and storage, and improved communication capabilities. This has enabled information technology to infiltrate areas of life that were never considered possible in the past. However, this rush has mostly focused on exploiting the low-hanging fruit, which has guided the development of software and information technology over the years, resulting in various consequences that we will explore.
The world we live in has been greatly influenced by Sigmund Freud, whether positively or negatively. When asked to name a famous psychologist, most people would likely mention Freud. As he is considered the most renowned psychologist in history and has had a significant impact on the 20th and 21st centuries. Born in the 1850s, he lived most of his life in Vienna, Austria, but fled to London at the beginning of World War II as the Nazis began to occupy his home country. While he did not become famous for a single discovery, he developed a comprehensive theory of the mind over several decades. Despite being recognized as a celebrity on the street throughout his life, he was known for his serious cocaine addiction and high-energy personality. We have the Great Exhibition of 1851 to thank for giving us the world's best taxi service. When people went to this exhibition, they were disappointed with their journeys because the cabbies and their horse-drawn carts were really bad and couldn't find their way. So, there was a big public outcry, and the London Authority created the Public Carriage Office, which still exists today. If you walk a short distance to Penton Street, you'll find this office. The Public Carriage Office started licensing all the main taxi drivers in London. Starting from 1851, all taxi drivers had to pass a test called the London Knowledge, which meant they had to have amazing knowledge of London. What does that mean? It means they needed to remember 25,000 streets and how they all connect, as well as the main roads in and out of London.
Certainly, there is significant interest in understanding the formation and persistence of clouds. The presence of particles is crucial for cloud droplets to form, as water condenses on these particles. However, the precise processes responsible for cloud formation had not been directly addressed until recently. Clouds observed over the ocean are often loaded with sea salt particles, as sea salt acts as an effective nucleator for cloud formation. As you move inland, pollution from various sources becomes a significant contributor to cloud formation, with different sources exhibiting varying effectiveness. Scientists are striving to unravel the sources that contribute to cloud formation. Clouds play a crucial role in climate change by reflecting light back into space, thereby keeping the Earth cooler. They also significantly impact regional weather patterns.